Hello friends, this is Deepa Suresh. Welcome back to Deep's Kitchen, and today we are going to see 3 different CHAAT chutneys that are perfect to make Indian chat recipes, or you could also use it as a spread for sandwiches or a dip for snacks. So let's get started. To begin, first we will see how to make a green chutney. For that you will need 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves. So make sure you wash them well in water to remove any dirt, and just 1 green chilli, a small piece of garlic, just 1 garlic pod, and half an inch of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And here I have a salt. You can add according to your taste. So first we just need to put all these ingredients into a blender, and you have to blend it into a smooth paste. So into my blender I am adding coriander leaves, mint leaves, and required amount of salt. And if you want the chutney to be very thick, you could also add 3 tablespoons of hung yogurt. Okay. So I am adding green chilli, ginger, garlic, and lemon juice. I actually added 3 tablespoons of hung yogurt. It is a thick yogurt, but I forget to film it, so make sure you're adding it. And then little amount of little amount of water, just 3 to 4 tablespoons, and blend this into a smooth paste like this. So simple to make in easy steps, and we have our green chutney ready. So this is perfect to make sandwiches, or even you can use it as a dip, and perfect for chat recipes as well. So we have green chutney ready in no time. And next we will see spicy red chutney. So for that you need to place a saucepan over your stove with half a cup of water. Just to bring it to rolling boil, and then add 15 red chilies. You may also use Kashmiri red chili, that gives even more bright red color. So just boil it for 2 minutes exactly, and then you may switch off the flame. So you can see, since we boil it, the color of the red chili is just get into the water, you can notice. So now let it to soak for 1 hour, and then add this soaked red chilies into your blender. So look at that vibrant red color. That's why you need to boil it and then soak it. That is very important step. And then I added 10 garlic pods and a teaspoon of lemon juice and required amount of salt. So this chutney is even more easier than green chutney. The ingredients are very less. So now grind this into a smooth paste, and then you have your spicy red chutney ready. So transfer into an airtight container, and you can refrigerate and use up to for 2 to 3 weeks. Next we will see how to make imli chutney, also known as sweet tamarind chutney. For that, place a saucepan over stove with half a cup of water, and then add 1/4 cup of tamarind. Make sure that the tamarind doesn't have any seeds, so use a seedless tamarind. Let it to boil for 2 minutes, and then switch off the flame and add 8 dates into it. So now let it to soak for 1 hour. So after 1 hour of soaking this tamarind and dates in hot water, you may transfer into a blender, and we are going to add other ingredients like salt to taste, 1/4 cup of jaggery, and half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Just blend this into a very smooth paste. So usually tamarind and these dates have fiber in it. We just need to remove. For that, take a bowl and place a sieve over it, and then add this chutney, and you just need to extract only that smooth chutney in the bowl, and you will get that fiber in the sieve. So you can simply throw it away. I have the fiber settles in the sieve, just throw it away. And here we have this sweet imli chutney. So basically this is a very sweet and tangy chutney, but I'm going to add little spices to make it little spicy. So adding a quarter teaspoon of dry ginger powder and 1/8 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. If you wish, you could also add red chili powder into it. So I'm not adding it. Just to mix it well, and then your sweet chutney is ready. So friends, we have made all these 3 colorful chaat chutneys that are perfect to make Indian chaat recipes. So you could also use these chutneys as a spread while making sandwich, or you could also use it as a dip or side dish for snacks. We are going to see a lot more interesting sandwiches and chaat recipes that we can make using these chutneys. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Bye-bye.